Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna be giving you guys the Tip Tuesday tutorial on how to do that. This is what it looks like, the Tip Tuesday. That's everything you guys need to do this. I actually didn't use the eyeliner and I didn't use the blush, but you can use whatever liner you have. If you already have it, use it. I don't know, I was being lazy. And then you could use a different blush, you can use a different lipstick and a different mascara. So I'll show you guys how to make this tutorial and how to get this look, and it looks awesome. So let's jump into it. Hey guys, okay, so I already did my foundation as usual in your tutorial, so just do your foundation as normal and then we'll hop into the tutorial. So first step, I'm going to put some of the highlighter on because it's just pretty and I feel like it. So it's called Rose Sapphire and that is the Fall Illuminating Limited Edition highlighter, and it's really easy. So you're gonna get your blush brush, right? And then we all remember your blush brush does two things, right? So you can apply, well, three. So you can apply blush in the middle, contour on the end, and then your highlight with this thick part on this other end. So that's how we're gonna apply our highlighter today. So you're gonna get your highlighter, dip your brush in right there on the end. See how I keep it kind of flat to get it on the end? And then you just put it on the highest part of your cheekbone. So if you touch your face, you have your cheekbone there, so that's where you're gonna put your highlighter on and just kind of blend it out. And it gives such a pretty sheen. So you're just gonna put that on and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, now we're gonna do our eyes, which is the easiest part as always. So you're gonna take your eye primer and put that all over your eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna use an all over eyeshadow brush. I'm using our little limited edition pink ones because they make me happy and they're pink and they're cute. And then again, you're gonna take this and then put that and just put it on your eye. And then I'm gonna concentrate it as usual, the lighter color in the corner of my eye. Okay, now I'm gonna add that darker color because why not? It's fall, we're gonna commit. Okay, so you're gonna use the brush applicator. You can't technically put this out with your finger, but you guys know I don't like getting my fingers dirty. And then I'm gonna pop this on my eye. And then I'm gonna spread it out. I look crazy, it's nice. I'm gonna spread it out with the cream color brush. Cool. And then you guys can add more or less. I'm gonna put more, and then as usual just blend it out until you get a color that is diffused enough or pigmented enough to what you want. It looks so sparkly on camera. It makes me happy. It makes me happy. Okay guys, I'm pretty happy with that. Just to tie this look together, I'm gonna take a little bit of that color, again, Graphite, our new special limited edition. I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of this brush and I'm gonna put some on the bottom of my eye. See how some already came out down while you were blending? That's fine, but I want a little bit more just to really tie the top with the bottom. So I'm going to smear it, again, not on my waterline. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna do that rustic color, which you guys can stop here. Like, this is a pretty happy point and you can just clean up the rest of your look, but I think it'll look really pretty with that rustic. So take the eye crease brush and then I'm gonna use that rustic color, which is kind of like a shimmery brown, which is that one right there. So I'm gonna take that one. Always tap your brush so you have less fallout. Not that it matters because we're gonna clean up at the end, but I always tap my brush. And then you're gonna take that rustic and put a little bit on the outer and really deepen that color. So as you can see, it makes a difference. So put a little bit of that and do that kind of like triangle V that I always tell you guys to do. So you do that little line here and then a little line here, and then we do that and it kind of just blends out. And then again, smudge a tiny baby amount down on your lower lash line. So I'm gonna go back in with that all over shadow brush and we're gonna put the Gold Rush color again on the inner corner and layer a little bit more of that in. So I'm picking up a little bit of the Gold Rush, tapping it off, and then putting a little bit on the inside. You're gonna take the same brush. I have a different one, so I don't have to clean mine all the time. So I'm gonna take the same brush, an all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna take one of the highlight colors. Again, you guys can't live without one of these. So you wanna have one of these, the pink. This is like the yellowy one and the pinky one. I like the pink, even though yellow matches more with today's look, but I think the pink looks better on my skin. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on under my brow bone. We haven't done our brows yet, but we're gonna put a little bit under our brow bone. Boom. Okay, so for cleanup, I'll show you guys again today. We're gonna do, you always get a cotton round or paper or whatever the heck you want. I'm using a reusable cotton round. You get your makeup remover, shake it up, you put a little bit. I like using the cotton round because I feel like it's easy and it gives me a nice control. And then I fold my cotton round in half to get like a little slick edge. And then as usual, you just go up in a line and you clean that, and that gives you that nice slick edge. and it cleans the fallout and all of that. That's just me, especially when you're using such shimmery colors. Glitter likes to stay, so I like to do this because it gets rid of all that glitter that has fallen. And then I put this and you're good to go. Look, so much cleaner, looks so professional and so much better. And then you have those two basically lines of stuff. You're gonna take the under eye corrector you put earlier on when you were doing your makeup, just gonna put a little bit and then spread it out. So I always add a little bit more under eye corrector. You could do a concealer or your foundation, or even a foundation in a lighter shade, and then just kind of spread that out. Okay, so we're gonna do our mascara. Put on your lash primer because it's thebomb.com, so I'm putting some of that on right now, and then we're gonna put mascara on. Okay guys, so I did one eye and then I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna take a photo because I think it just looks cool how one looks so amazing compared to the other one. But yeah, and then Diana was making fun of me, but I said that our water, so we have this one, and then remember we have our waterproof version of this. So it's the same formula, same look, just waterproof, and that won't come off for anything. But I'm using the normal today because I don't feel like having mascara on forever. So the waterproof one won't come off. What was it that I said? Oh yeah, you can literally have your heart broken. Yeah, you can literally have your heart broken 18 times in a day and you'll look great. Like, it won't go anywhere. So if you want to like really flex on an ex if he dumps you, like wear waterproof mascara because you'll look sick. Like, you'll look so sick. Okay guys, so your mascara's done. You're looking sick, right? Like, you could probably stop at this point, but we're gonna add a little bit of contour because why not? Take out that brush again, your blush brush, and then we're gonna use, so we use the middle for blush, this short side for highlighter, and then this longer side for contour. So we're gonna do that longer. So you're gonna flip it, and then you're gonna pick some up on your brush. And then they use the cocoa color, and you just kind of put it on the hollows of your cheeks or anywhere where you want to remove, right? So contour removes. Anything dark removes. So wherever you want to chisel your face, literally. I like to put some on my jawline, and then I drag some down here to make it look like I have like a kick-ass like neck, which is weird, but it looks good. So that's what I do. Whatevs. You can literally make your whole jaw just look smaller. So just put just put it, and then you blend it out. Super easy. You don't have to go heavy on contour. A lot of people go really heavy. You don't have to. A little bit goes a long way, and it gives that illusion. Because the whole thing is makeup, you just want to play up what you already have, and you want to create illusions on your face. You don't want people to be able to see your contour, because then it's like not a secret. You get me? Like, you want people to look at your face and think, holy crap, that girl's got like freaking cheekbones for days. And in reality, you don't. It's the contour, but nobody really knows. So and we all know I'm like a little ball right now because of baby Matthew, so I don't look chiseled for shit. So this makes a difference. And then if you don't know where your hollows are, you can always do that fishy face thing that everybody does, but once you do your makeup enough, you know where your hollows are. And then as always, remember guys, we blend upwards. So contour is in an E on your face, right? Like that. And then you always blend up, because if you do down, blend down, you're gonna sag your face. But we want those high cheekbones and those high arches, so we're always gonna blend upwards like that. Same thing goes with your blush, and same thing goes with your highlighter. Everything goes up on your face. So you do that. You could even put a little bit on the sides of your nose if you want to, which why not? We'll do it, who cares? So you put a little bit on the sides of your nose, on the bridge. Just blends everything really nice together and makes you look real supermodel-y and whatnot. So that's what they do in the Tip Tuesday thing that I showed you guys. Then you can add some Desert Rose blush. I'm gonna leave it simple because I'm liking it like this, but you can always add some Desert Rose blush and on the apples of your cheeks, and then just blend it up and out. So there you go, that is the look. I think I'm gonna seal it off with some lipstick, so I'll pop back in later, maybe with some lipstick so you guys can see it, but that is the look. Okay guys, so this was not in the Tip Tuesday thing, but I thought it was just too pretty and I had to, so I put on the lipstick in the color Ruby, and this is the limited edition. It's super glittery, but you don't feel any of the glitter, which I don't understand what type of witchcraft that is, because literally it's super glittery, but you don't feel it, which is weird. Like, you know how you used to get lipsticks when you were a little kid with all the glitter and it was like super gritty? This has none of that grit, but it's just so pretty and jewelly and jewel tone. So this is the ruby color, and I just think it's perfect. I also think this other color would look pretty. Sunstone would look really pretty with this too. With this look, this one's more of like a nude orange. Not really orange. Orange is not the right word, but this will look really good with this look too. But I was feeling the super punchy, fun purple fall colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. As usual, you can shop, DM me, let me know anything that you need to complete this look, and I will get that to you. And as always, thank you so much for being my customer. You guys are the bomb, especially right now with Matthew coming. I am so grateful for this business that we have, that I have, and it just means a lot to me. You guys, seriously, I can't put it into words how important you guys are to me and how much you mean to me that I can be home during this time, and especially now when he's born, I can be home. So it's just awesome, and I'm really grateful. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and take care. Talk to you guys later. Bye.